What's going on, folks? This is Ready, Set, Homestead, where the only fluff is the feathers, and YardBird sent me all this stuff. So we're about to unbox it. Let's see what they sent me. So I really want to thank YardBird for all this stuff we got here. I reached out to them, and they contacted me back, so I was pretty impressed. All right, this is exciting. All right, so I got two of these guys right here. These are lung removers, as you can see. Go ahead and show you what these look like. Now, of course, everything I have here, I'll link down in the description below. So this tool right here is used to remove the lungs when you're doing your processing. If you've ever done processing, the most difficult part about it, in my opinion, is removing the lungs for the evisceration part, because they really get inside of the rib cage, in between the bones, and it always seems like there's a little bit left over. It's not something I've mastered with my fingers, so I am excited about this and trying this because these are cool. Oh yeah, here we go. I mean, granted, I love, all the stuff they're sending me, but this might possibly be my favorite item here. Got my YardBird hat. Guess I'll take the sticker off of it. Now I can represent. Let's get this out of there. All right, what we got here? Ooh. Now this is exciting. So if you've ever watched my chicken processing 101 YouTube short, it's a pretty popular video. A lot of people comment about my shirt, my white shirt, how I didn't get any blood on it. In that video, it was a miracle it didn't happen. I usually get quite a bit of blood on my clothes, but I don't have to worry about that with this guy. This is nice. So this is an apron. It's like a, I mean, you can see I'm sweating right now, but it's a waterproof material. Let's check it out. Ooh, and even more exciting, a bigger guy like me, I still have room to tighten it up. So if you're a bigger guy, I'm about 6 feet, 270. I mean, this, you can see it goes all the way down to my boot level. So another exciting thing. And they sent two of each of these, which is great because that means that both me and my wife can use them simultaneously while we're processing birds. That's really nice. And you just hose this off whenever you're done. I'm not very good at folding, so just gotta fold this up. This is gonna get hung on a hook. All right, they sent two. All right, now we have this guy here. Restraining cones. Now, the official name of these is restraining cone. You might just call them kill cones. And I do currently have a few. What I did learn though is they're only good for about a 5 or a 6 pound bird. And I do have turkeys, which they're not going to fit into. Ooh. So this is a large size. It says it fits large and medium chickens. Oh, of course, dropped that on the ground. All right, let's see what we got. We got 4 screws, and we have some zip ties, and it gives you instructions on how to put it together. So it looks like you're gonna attach the actual restraining cone with the zip ties. Let's kind of see. So it's got 3 different slots. Oh, nice. I might be putting this together wrong because I haven't ever done it before. Decent size. I mean, it says large chickens, but I can tell you right now, this is gonna fit a turkey. So it's got these down here. It's got holes that you'll line up, and then you'll put your zip tie through those. What if I can double loop it? Cool. So, but yeah, this is this guy right here. It comes with the screws, so you can put the screws on the top and the bottom to hold it steady. So I'll have to play with this a little bit later, but yeah, adjustable restraining cones. That way you can do medium or large size birds, and I'm about 99% sure that this is gonna fit one of my turkeys as well. And now the really fun part. So this is the actual plucker itself, and it came just like this. To show y'all a little bit about the YardBird, let's find the English side. All right, so this is the YardBird Chicken Plucker, roaster ready in 15 seconds. It's gonna pluck the birds in about 15 seconds. So this is what it's gonna look like right here. Gives you all the specifications. So easy transport, compact and powerful, efficient feather removal, simple debris collection, clean. I'm excited about the debris collection because I wanna make myself some feather meal. Then you have the rubber fingers as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Stop. So if you have issues, YardBird wants you to call them directly. Instruction manual, always a good thing. There she is. All right, now on the side, got a part here, got a part here. Instead of hurting myself, I'm gonna cut the back of the box. This sucker's not light. I'm sure there was an easier way to do that. This is the bottom. Now I can see right here, this is where the feathers should be coming out. I'm gonna throw all this stuff away real quick. I don't know what that's for, we'll see. So it's got these pieces here, little carabiners that lock. And I'm guessing all this stuff is inside. All the way off, maybe? If you read the instructions, it'll help you a little better. There we go. All right. Oh, it's upside down. All right, so we got wheels. All All right, hold on a second because this is important. When I got this in, I didn't notice it at first until I started putting it together. The wheels had crushed the housing for the motor. The motor couldn't spin. The fan couldn't spin. On the box, though, in the beginning, I said, don't forget it. YardBird wants you to call them. When I called customer service, they were great. I think she was from Wisconsin. She talked like this, don't you know? It was great, though. I called around 2 o'clock on Thursday. I got my replacement part on Thursday. They didn't charge me anything. There was no issue. There was no argument. They just made it right. Mistakes happen. It's how a company fixes it that makes the difference, and YardBird gets an A+. I'll tell you what, they definitely made sure this is protected. Those are pretty solid wheels. I mean, these are solid. All right, let me clamp some of this trash. Oh, there we go. All right, so you got 2 wheels. You have the leg stand with the wheel attachment part. This guy's gonna be a stand as well. This is the actual motor assembly. This is where the feathers will come out, and you can see inside you have all these fingers, which are actually gonna pluck the bird itself. So that's pretty cool. So we got the plucker, the lung removers, the apron, and then we got the hat, the restraining cones. I mean, you got everything that you need in order to start your processing. I'm gonna leave everything in the description below, where you can just click on the link and you can just get the stuff directly from Amazon. And if you wanna follow the instructions, feel free to do that. Or you can click on the attached video and I'm gonna show you how to assemble this baby. It's Ready, Set, Homestead. Enjoy homesteading.